Good morning, friends. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your skills on LinkedIn profile. I used to verify a few of SAP MM profiles and they don't even maintain the proper skills. They don't highlight and they don't give the primary skills. So I see that kind of a profiles and sometimes based on my available time, I message them and I tell them you're not highlighting your SAP MM or SAP SD, whatever SAP skills, some MS Office or some Java or CPP, whatever they are learning in the college time, that kind of skills are visible, but actually you're working as SAP consultant. Not only about SAP, wherever you're working, that skills should be given as a primary and you have to highlight it so that anybody verifies your profile, they can endorse you. Okay. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to add the skills into your LinkedIn profile. For example, go to LinkedIn. You already have a login, then you can log into that. Go to your profile. Okay. Once you come to your profile and go to the page down. Okay. Once you come to that end of the profile, here you can see the skills. Okay. Here you need to click on add new skills. If you don't have any skill, you can click on add new skill. Here you can add it. For example, I wanted to add maybe SAP solutions. Whatever skills you wanted to add it. If you don't have any other, if you can set also. For example, SAP. Whatever the module you wanted to verify, that you can set. For example, SAP EWM. Okay. SAP EWM, save it. So then you come to this option called change. Click on change button. Here, whatever the skills you have added, right, all the skills will be visible here. Okay. When you're seeing these skills here you can keep maximum, reorder your skills within category, or choose up to 3 skills to feature in your top skills. See here, this green button I can see here, right? The green button you can make it maximum 3. So I made it for SAP implementation, SAP MM and SAP WM. These 3 are my primary skills. So I gave that green color. You need to click on that icon so that it will become green, and those 3 will be visible as a top skills. So those 3 will be visible as top skills. You need to make it and save it. Okay. If you want to move from front to back anything, say for example, I want to move EWM to this top here. Okay. In other skills, I want to keep it, I moved here. See, you can use this button to move here and there. So like that, you need to adjust, and whatever skills related to top, those need to be visible at the top of the screen. How does it look like? See here, if someone comes to my profile, you can see here MM, SAP implementation, SAP MM and SAP WM. So these skills are visible. This is how you can add your skills, and you can adjust your endorsement, which should be visible on top. So if somebody clicks on show more, you can see here other all skills are visible. Okay. Somebody can come inside and they can verify your skills available. I hope this video has helped you to understand how to add the skills, so you can update your LinkedIn profile with proper skills and select the top 3 skills so that it will be visible. The top 3 should be relevant to your experience and the coming roles what you are expecting in the future. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Before leaving, click on the like button and share with your friends, because this video is helpful for any technologies or any IT or non-IT, anybody can be utilized. Especially it will be helpful for the beginners, and also few people complete 2-3 years of experience, but they might not be using LinkedIn. You can share with them to help more people. Thank you. Thanks for watching.